YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to replace hard drives on your Lenovo ThinkPad, Lenovo IdeaPad in my case. So first of all, what you're going to do, you're going to get a laptop screwdriver, and I want you to come ahead and turn this PC. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to, as you can see the locks, you have to unlock even this side so that the battery pops out. In my case, the battery pops out, then I'll keep it aside. Then here you have to unscrew here. Then also there are some 3 screws somewhere here. So what happens, you have to remove this. All these parts have screws. In my case, I have removed the screws so that you can speed up the process. Plus this side. So the next step, you're going to go ahead, after moving this, you have to go and pass maybe a nail or something that's very smooth. So in my case here, so you always hear a click. Then we go ahead, separate it to the side, and we put our cover aside. So to access the RAM and the hard drive, this is how it looks inside. This might look very tricky to fix, but what you do, you slide the hard disk gently, and this is how you go inside and replace. So in this computer I replaced a hard disk. I think I have never seen such an hard disk. This is actually made in Philippines. I'm seeing an Apple logo on it. I'm seeing Toshiba. So I replaced it with Samsung 500 GB. So I'm going to replace it back. And this is how you press it there gently. And the next step, you go ahead and cover your laptop again slowly, then screw back, return back the screws. Then after, you go ahead and you can power on. Then the computer will work again. And thanks for watching. This is how you upgrade your hard drive and how to access your hard drive in Lenovo IdeaPad, Lenovo ThinkPad. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye. Please don't forget to subscribe. Also click the bell icon, comment. I'll be there to help you. Have a nice time. Goodbye.